Welcome back to Auto Nation Garage, where we dive deep into the machines that redefine power, presence, and premium engineering. Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 BMW X7 M50i, a full-size luxury SUV that blends brute force with refined comfort in a way only BMW knows how. If you're searching for a family-friendly powerhouse that doesn't compromise on performance or styling, this might just be your next dream ride. Let's get into it. The exterior of the 2026 X7 M50i instantly commands attention with its bold, confident stance. BMW has refined the front fascia with sharper LED laser headlights, a more sculpted bumper, and a slightly reworked kidney grille that now adapts more intelligently to airflow for both cooling and efficiency. The long, stretched body lines give the SUV an elegant but muscular profile, while the 22-inch M-Lite alloy wheels and subtle M accents add that unmistakable performance vibe. Around the back, slim 3D taillights and quad exhaust outlets hint at the power waiting under the hood. It's big, it's bold, and it's pure BMW luxury mixed with M-inspired aggression. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X7 M50i continues to deliver thrilling performance thanks to its updated 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. This beast now pushes out even more refined power, delivering rapid acceleration with smoother torque delivery throughout the rev range. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system, the SUV handles with surprising agility for its size. Whether you're cruising on highways or carving through sharp turns, the adaptive M suspension keeps the ride balanced and planted. BMW also tuned the drive modes to deliver a more dynamic feel in sport mode while maintaining exceptional comfort in comfort and eco settings. It's a luxury SUV that moves like a performance car and behaves like a flagship. Step inside, and the interior of the 2026 X7 M50i immediately wraps you in premium craftsmanship. Soft touch materials, merino leather seats, ambient lighting, and crystal-styled control elements create an elegant, futuristic environment. The dual-curved display, powered by BMW's latest iDrive system, gives you seamless access to navigation, media, vehicle settings, and advanced driver assistance features. The cabin is exceptionally quiet thanks to enhanced acoustic insulation, making every drive feel refined and stress-free. Space is generous across all three rows, with improved legroom and upgraded seat cushioning ensuring comfort for every passenger. Panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof, wireless charging, a premium Bowers & Wilkins audio system, and rear seat entertainment are all available to enhance the luxury experience even further. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 BMW X7 M50i sits in the upper tier of luxury SUVs, reflecting the level of performance and features it brings. Depending on options and packages, the price typically starts from the higher end of the premium segment and can scale up significantly with added luxury, performance, and tech upgrades. It's designed for those who want uncompromised power, space, and elegance in one commanding package. Thanks for watching Auto Nation Garage. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the 2026 BMW X7 M50i, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review of the latest performance and luxury rides. Stay tuned for more, and we'll come back with another exciting review soon.